Welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're diving into a true icon reimagined for the modern era, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle. Reviving the spirit of the classic bug, Volkswagen has infused this legendary nameplate with contemporary design, advanced technology, and electric power to meet the needs of today's drivers. From the outside, the 2026 Beetle retains its unmistakable silhouette, paying homage to its roots while embracing a sleeker and more aerodynamic look. The iconic rounded roofline and curved fenders are sharper and more defined, giving it a sportier edge. Volkswagen has modernized the front fascia with slimmer LED headlights and a more sculpted hood, while the rear end features a full-width LED light bar that seamlessly connects the taillights. The new Beetle is available in a vibrant palette of retro-inspired colors, including punchy yellow, mint green, and classic red, ensuring it stands out in any crowd. Underneath its stylish exterior, the 2026 Beetle is powered by an all-electric drivetrain. Volkswagen offers two power options, a standard 150 horsepower single-motor setup for urban driving and a more powerful dual-motor AWD variant that delivers 250 horsepower. This electric powertrain not only provides smooth and silent acceleration but also makes the Beetle more environmentally friendly than ever. With a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for both city commutes and weekend adventures. Fast charging capabilities allow it to reach 80% in just 30 minutes, making long trips hassle-free. Inside, the 2026 Beetle blends retro charm with cutting-edge technology. The cabin is beautifully crafted with soft-touch materials, chrome accents, and customizable LED ambient lighting. A fully digital driver display pairs with a 12.9-inch infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Volkswagen's latest software ensures seamless connectivity and intuitive navigation. Heated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system are all standard, enhancing the driving experience. Safety is a top priority for Volkswagen, and the new Beetle is equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system makes parking effortless, even in tight urban spaces. Volkswagen has truly outdone themselves with the 2026 Beetle, blending nostalgia with modernity in a way that pays respect to its past while stepping boldly into the future. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a celebration of timeless design and sustainable innovation. Whether you're a lifelong Beetle enthusiast or someone looking for a stylish, electric compact car, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle is ready to impress. Stay tuned to Car Trend for more in-depth reviews, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in automotive news.